Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Chase, and today I will be doing a crochet with these soft locks. I'm going to crochet these in. I have the color 1B, and I also got the color 30. So if this is something that you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. So what I'm going to do first is I have to braid my hair. So I just washed my hair. I've only had it stretched out for I think a day or so. So I'm gonna pass the blow dryer through just to straighten it out just a little bit, because this can be a little hard to braid when it's like this because it's kind of tangled and everything. But I want you to stay tuned as I show you how I braid my hair. I'm not doing anything all fancy. It's just going to be a simple braiding pattern, all back, because I'm not going to wear this style that long. I just want to put this in for a few and see how it looks, because I've always wanted locks, so I just kind of want to check that out. So to get started, you'll need some tools. So of course you'll need a wide tooth comb. I also have a rat tail comb. I have a brush. I got some conditioner. Of course you need clips, clips and clips. I am going to try this soften free mousse just to try it on my hair. And I also have some leave-in conditioner and also some scalp moisturizer. So you're going to see me probably look over here because I will be looking in the mirror. I know you probably can't see the mirror, but I'm looking in the mirror if you see me turn this way. So to get started, I'm just going to split my hair in half. Has anyone ever tried the locks, the small locks? I've never tried the small locks before, so I definitely wanted to try them, and I will leave the link in the description box where I got them. I got them off of Amazon, so I'll put the link down there. And so all I'm gonna do is braid my hair. Back to show you my braiding pattern. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 braids.